You're one technique away from getting this hair wrong, and the last part of this video is going to make you understand that. The thing about every other craft is that once you know the right technique, it will save you from many unnecessary mistakes. And you find yourself making it look easy, not knowing it's years of experience. Hi, it's Buzo here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this hairstyle you're seeing on the screen. I call it the star Bantu knot. There are so many kind of Bantu knots out there, and I'm sure you must have seen them, but this is a new one, more creative, more stylish. So I would suggest you stay till the end of the video so that you see how I achieved every single part of the hairstyling. Also, the do's and don'ts of this particular hairstyle. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome and thank you for tuning in. All you need to do is to click on the share button, like, and also comment. Send the video to anyone you feel might find it helpful. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much and welcome back. You know how we do it here. Click, like, and share. If you're also not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe so that we'll be sharing more of these helpful tutorials on here. With this particular kind of Bantu knot, you're just one technique away from getting the whole style wrong, from getting the whole twisting wrong, the whole technique wrong. I'm going to explain how you can successfully twist, tie, and also release so that it would give you the perfect spirals that you need for the Bantu. Pay attention to this part because this is what makes or breaks this hairstyle. As you can see, once you're done placing your extension, dividing the hair and placing your hair extension in the middle, use a tiny rubber band and hold it together. Make sure while you're twisting to the opposite direction where your thread is going. If you're twisting to the left, your thread should be going to the right. If you're twisting to the right, your thread should be going to the left. Another important tip about this hairstyle is whenever you're twisting, make sure your thread is far away from each other. Don't stack it in the same line. Just make sure they are far away from each other so that once you pull, it's going to make and create that spirals that you're seeing. Also, the hairstyle is perfect because it's suitable for all kinds of hair, whether it's natural virgin hair, relaxed hair, or any type of hair. All you need to know is the techniques, how to achieve everything, and the things to use to get this hairstyle. Once you're done twisting and threading, all you need to do is hold the thread on your right hand and the bottom of your extension on your left hand, and then push the extension forward while you push the thread backward. Remember, push the extension forward and pull the thread backward. After that, you should get your spiral, and then all you need is to hold it in the middle and then twist round the bottom of the hair. And just like every other Bantu, you keep rolling and tying until you are sure it's secured. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share to your friends who might need this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get other tutorial videos like this and other lifestyle, beauty and lifestyle contents. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.